Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, Musa posts a picture of Makoti benonyana wakhe on his Instagram feed. And listen, the comment section, Vuyokazi's fans, the most of them guys, they are so happy. They are so happy batu amahle when they in nation yaba happy guys namhlanje, and they obviously are happy because Mpumelelo went ahead and married Amahle before Utirelo, whereas Utirelo was ridiculing Vuyokazi for wanting marriage. Kanti yena self Utirelo is going to be troubled by Mpumelelo just the way he troubled Vuyokazi. Now I saw this other long comment where someone was saying these comments, 90% of them are women. What type of woman are we? I'm paraphrasing. What type of woman are we for putting down another woman like Vuyokazi Pintonto? Like basically the person is saying, but people shouldn't be bringing down Utirelo for something like this. They should be bringing down Mpumelelo. You know what, guys? And then there's other people get was saying Musa is hurting Utirelo publicly by posting this and whatnot. Firstly, guys, nifuna ukuthi Musa athini, because this is his Makoti. What must he do? Must he post Utirelo? And someone was saying no, he has posted Vuyokazi and he has posted Amahle, but he has never posted Utirelo. First of all, the one that he posted, the picture that he posted of Vuyokazi was with the kids. It was at Mhlopolazi's birthday. That is number one. Number two, guys, Amahle is his Makoti. And to be quite honest, Utirelo she is still a girlfriend, you guys. So now Musa must be, he must be walking on eggshells because he must be looking and thinking for Utirelo's feelings, whereas Umabiela is the one who's married. One thing people must remember, and any woman who marries into the Mseleku family, akuhanjwa feelings, guys, kuhanjwa vision. If if you follow the vision, you're going to be celebrated. If uphuma ngaphandle we vision yabo, you are going to be demonized. Now back to some people who are saying what type of woman or other people for coming at Utirelo and whatnot. You know what? I get that, guys. But you know what? At the end of the day, there's no party that's innocent here. I have realized that no one deserves to be felt sorry for with a situationship. Whether it's Vuyokazi, Singazige, or why Vuyokazi shame. The girl's name is still coming up even now, even though she left the relationship, but it is what it is. From Vuyokazi, she doesn't deserve to be felt sorry for because she entered a relationship with Mpumelelo knowing he was not single by the time Vuyokazi entered a relationship with Mpumelelo. Utirelo, the same thing, Mpumelelo. So no one is innocent here, guys. Bonke nje. People must suffer the consequences of their choices because maybe you think you're the special one, angit? Because the guy is cheating on his partner with you. Pofge Amazulu, they say they're not cheating. But anyway, when you're coming in, you feel like you're the special one. Even Amahle, her time is gonna come, and when her turn comes, no one must feel sorry for her, except with her. It's gonna be kind of different because she's a wife now, but still she married a guy who doesn't even know how to carry himself well within 5 months. I am judge. Anyway, you guys tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.